Now let's take a look at how we can add default grades for our categories in Teacher Access Center. Click the drop-down arrow next to Gradebook and select Entry. Now you can see the categories that we set up for our chemistry class. If you click the drop-down arrow next to Categories, it will allow you to select either the category for the particular assignment, or you can select all categories. In this case, we want to add default grades to both of the assignments that we created. So, on the first assignment, I'm going to click my Mass Update Scores, and then I'm going to select Update Scores, and I want to give everybody a score of 80 on this particular assignment. I'm going to click Apply, and now you'll notice that I have little triangles in the corner of each one of my grades. This indicates to me that I haven't saved the information yet. So I'm going to come over to my Save button and save that information. I'm going to do the same thing for class participation, except this time I'm going to give everyone a score of 90, and then I'm going to click Apply. Now, I want this information published to Home Access Center as far as the grades are concerned. So I'm going to go ahead and click this button again one more time. Remember, when I was setting up the categories and assignments, I initially clicked this button so that this assignment would go home to the parents. Now the grade for this assignment is going to go home. I'm going to save that information, and now I'm good. But I've thought a little bit, and I've decided that for class participation, since everyone did so well, I want to give everyone 100 for class participation. So I'm going to come back to my Mass Update Scores button. I'm going to select Update Scores. I'm going to check my Override Existing Scores option. Now I'm going to update my new score with 100 and click Apply. I'm going to save the information, and now I have changed the grade for those students from 90 to 100. I also, remember, click this button again in order to publish the grade that was attached to this assignment to Home Access Center as well. This is how you add default grades to a category in Home Access Center for parents to see the grade, and in Teacher Access Center for the teacher to add the grade.